Hello everyone, it's Frances with Your Book of Memories. I've got a really spooky book for you this time. Welcome in, friends. Thank you so much for joining me for this awesome project share, and if you're new, it's just brilliant to be here with you. I created a playful mini album is what I like to call this one. It's a 6x6 pocket page mini and it's got one page unit, and this time I used Graphic 45 Charmed. Now I do have to say this collection kind of creeped me out legitimately because this guy right here, he spooked me out pretty good. That is the archetype right there that you want to avoid within yourself or even around you. So Shane told me put them on the front and I was like, okay, you know what, I'm gonna. Right here I've got some amazing little brads Shane got me for my birthday actually a couple years back, and I popped it up and I even added an acetate sheet right there, if you can see that. I thought it added just another little, I don't know, little twist to it. And right here I even have a cute brad from my stash, and I stuck it right in the design paper and just put it right on there. I thought that kind of went along with it. And then right here on the back, amazing, continuing that beautiful paper. They did have a couple cut apart pages, and thank you my friends for on Instagram and Facebook helping me choose out what ribbon. I would have done two, but I wanted that cream ribbon to be a little thinner if I was gonna add both. So the vote was this fun Dollar Tree magical sheer ribbon right here. Thank you everyone for participating with that. It's always so much fun. Oh my goodness, let's check this out. Now, if you were interested in this design, I'll leave it down in the description. I have a full class on how to make it from start to finish. Oh my goodness, right here I've got an angled pocket, and I added a nice little wallet. So this particular design, you could put a little picture or journal with your white gel pen on the back of this. I actually specified this book tailored to wallet size pictures. So we also have a cute little interactive belly band right here, so you can put whatever you want. Oh my goodness, okay, we've got some eyelets and a nice string closer with this cute baker's twine right here. And then I decided to make her a flap, so that's one of the cut aparts. And then a cute little on-page pocket right here. And again, you can add pictures on the back, journal. Oh my goodness, this opens up again, and it's kind of like a little flap here. I didn't intend for that to happen, but you know what? You can fan yourself off. Okay, I feel a lot better after that. And there it goes, just jumps out right at you, right there. And you can stick whatever you want right here in this side pocket. Oh my goodness, I love it. And I've got a 2x2 right here and a swivel tab. Swings over, opens up. I teach you how to make that. Oh my goodness, it's so much fun. Here's one of these little pieces there that I just put together, and then a simple photo mat right there. Graphic 45 has a lot of character and a lot of busy images going on, but it's just super cute. I did, again, get spooked out by that devil guy, okay? I'm kind of scared of this book, a little bit, but that's okay. That swings back to tie it closed right there, and then you would just tie this up right there. Now this is a chunky style, so I had so much fun. Right here we have an entire assembly of this cute paper. Look at this little cut apart piece. Actually, that is a sticker. I matted it on some black and made it a cute little band magnetic closure. And right here we have a ton of wallet pictures that can fit in here. Cute little stickers from the sticker sheet right here and there, and I stuck her right on there, just on that flap, and we got somewhat of a 4x4 picture space right there, and a nice big one here. Oh, bats. This all closes back up, and this is actually an on-page little insert right there. Goes right into that little tube pocket. And I decided to slice around this haunted house, and I thought it would be cute to add this awesome little feature from the paper collection. And again, you can put tiny little pictures in here. I just thought it was cute to kind of interact with the front of this, and I wanted to kind of switch it up from the previous book. And here's the back of this one. Another little cutout and two photo spots. And this would just slide right back in, and you could put this flap under or on top, and that magnetizes closed. Right over here we've got this cute little pouch, and it opens up. I've got some baker's twine again, a nice brad and a circle punch, a strip from the border strips page. And if you've never taken a class with me before, I'll go ahead and leave this one up here for you. You can sign up for our chipboard. You can get $5 off your first subscription and gain instant access to every class I've ever created. Right now I'm at 72 classes. I got a cute little paper clip right there, and this cute girl right there, and I just kind of stuck her on there, and you can put a little photo on the back. And then again, I've got a Nice little sticker right here, the haunted house. And then I have a little brat out of my stash right there that has like poison in it, and I just thought that was cute. And that just gets tucked in here, and of course you can fit way more than I have right here. Shane got me this awesome collection of brads. I thought that was so cute. It's like glittery. I'm gonna bring it up so you can see. Very glittery, and it just swings over to the side and then unleashes this wonderful little flap here. And even this one. So we've got some more photo space here, and I just love it. No tricks, all treats. This folds back up, and again, we have another flap right here. Oh my goodness, this time I add like a cute little assembly of just little tidbits out of the sticker sheet. And then I kind of just added a little paper clip there. I can even put some twine in there later if I wanted, and I got some eyelets inside my awesome little cat guy right there. And then everything just kind of came together beautifully. This works up in a nice single day. And this ties back up. I appreciate you spending time with me. Thank you everyone so much for watching. And I'll leave the class link down in the description. And if you ever have any questions, you can always email me at yourbookofmemories@gmail.com. Thanks again, and watch out for this guy. Happy Halloween.